Hello, my name is Nathan from Product Support here at RealityWorks. Today we're going to go through replacing the Fast-Derm skin on your training arms. It's a very simple process. You'll see along the side it's velcroed on, so you just peel that back from both sides of the skin. And then you just peel it forward. You'll note the fingers came off here. That's because the Fast-Derm skin has the fingers in the skin itself. So when you go to put your new one on, you come out of the box, you'll have the digits in place. You'll just fold it over like this and try to line up each of those digits with where they belong on the hand itself. Once you've got them about lined up, just peel it forward, pull it to make sure it's snug, slide the rest of the skin in place, and then just line up the Velcro and pull it tight. Oops. And then you've replaced your Fast-Derm skin.